Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to your English literature class with a new chapter from Unit 3. What can you see in this picture, children? Yes, you can see a fan and a girl whose hair is flying. But why is the girl's hair flying? Can you tell me? Yes, it is due to the excessive breeze from the fan. Now look at this picture. Can you tell me what can you see here? Yes, you can see a burning piece of fire with a pot on it. Can you tell me, children, what does the fire give out? It gives out heat. So, like the fire and the fan, the wind and the sun gives out breeze and heat to mankind naturally. Now, let us go through the story of the wind and sun who takes up a challenge with each other, considering oneself to be the most powerful. The wind and the sun. Wind. Sun, can you see that man walking down the road? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. Sun smiling. We will see who is stronger. I will let you try first. Wind. Puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. Woo, woo, woo. Man, how strong the wind is today. It is blowing my coat away. I must hold it tightly round myself. Wind, blowing harder. Woo, woo. Man, pulling his coat more tightly. How cold it is. Wind. Sun, I give up. I cannot get his coat off. Sun. Now it is my turn. Let me try. He shines hard. Man. What a funny day. It was so cold now. It is so hot. Sun shining harder. I will make him feel hotter and hotter. Man wiping his face. I must take off my coat. Sun. Wind, I have won. I have made him take off his coat. So, here in the story, the wind and the sun compete with each other, taking off the man's coat who was walking down the road on a normal sunny day. At first, the sun gives the opportunity to the wind. So the wind works hard and the wind starts blowing to its strength to take off the man's coat. But the harder the wind blew, the tighter the man held his coat close to his body, as he was feeling very cold. But the wind failed to take off the man's coat. As the wind gave up, the sun started shining. The man felt good and pleasant at first, as he was feeling cold due to the strong breeze. Then, after some time, the sun starts shining harder, and the man feels hot. Then the sun again shines harder and harder to its strength. Then the man feels, oh, what a funny day. It was so cold and windy before some time, and now it is so hot that I have to take off my coat. Saying this, the man takes off his coat, feeling very hot due to the excessive heat of the sun. Then we see that the sun wins the challenge being given by the wind. So children, did you see how easily and intelligently the sun won the challenge? Yes, so we should always use our intelligence and smartness in doing some work or taking up any challenges instead of showing much of our strength. So I hope you all have enjoyed the story. Thank you and have a nice day.